Apple is up plus 3.24% today, and the reasons behind it may surprise you. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. It is Monday, May 4th, and this is your complete global market briefing. Caution prevails across asset classes. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Let us start with the major global indices. S&P 500 ticked up to $7,230.12, plus 0.29% on the session. NASDAQ edged higher to $25,114, plus 0.89% on the session. Dow Jones slipped to $49,499, minus 0.31% on the session. DAX edged higher to $24,292, plus 1.41% on the session. Nikkei 225 ticked up to $59,513, plus 0.38% on the session. Investor sentiment is being shaped by a bear market rally, the sell-off to resume seeking alpha. Now let us turn to some of the biggest names in global equities. Apple is trading higher by plus 3.24% to $280.14. Samsung is trading higher by plus 3.17% to $227,500. Shell is trading lower by minus 1.86% to $88.98. Microsoft is trading higher by plus 1.63% to $414.44. Investor sentiment is being shaped by a bear market rally, the sell-off to resume seeking alpha. The tech sector remains highly sensitive to AI spending narratives and rate expectations. Strong earnings momentum is keeping institutional buyers engaged. Now let us dig into the macro picture driving these moves. On the geopolitical front, the move follows reports that European stocks fall as Iran war drives oil rally, bond sell-off. This is adding a risk premium across energy markets and supporting safe haven flows. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Rate expectations remain the dominant macro driver for equities and currencies. Any surprise, hawkish or dovish, has the potential to trigger outsized moves. Equity markets are responding to reports that Nvidia's big earnings report couldn't revive the stock market rally after all. Business Insider. Turning to commodities, Brent crude held steady to $108.20 per barrel, up 0.03% on the session. WTI crude slipped to $101.79 per barrel, down 0.15% on the session. Gold slipped to $4,612.40 per troy ounce, down 0.38% on the session. Silver held steady to $75.89 per troy ounce, down 0.08% on the session. This comes as European stocks fall as Iran war drives oil rally, bond sell-off, adding pressure to energy markets. Safe haven demand is being supported by